The big shift is upon us. It's already started. Artificial intelligence is at its peak right now. A must watch on 60 Minutes. Just like there was a steam engine, then came a diesel engine, then it came the gas engine, then came then came computers, desktop computers. Then it came assembly plants. Everything moves forward in life. Technology moves forward, doesn't move backwards. No different than AI. It's here. It's not going anywhere, people. It's here. Everything we do, everything we have, our cars, our computers, our homes, there'll be robots soon. You can't stop it. So you must assimilate to it because you're already living with it. Welcome to the world of AI. 60 Minutes.
NVIDIA has had a blistering ride to the top of the stock market.
Well, look at this.
How does NVIDIA's technology make artificial intelligence possible? Who are you?
I am Fiona, a representation of Mother Nature.
It does billions of quadrillions of calculations a second. It's just insane numbers.
And medical researchers and high-tech companies tell us this technology will affect our lives in ways we can only imagine.
This is wild. Yeah.